Hurricane Melissa have impacted us very big. Since after the hurricane, I would say probably like just 10 to 8% are back on the sea. From one of those roll-off where it can feed us for up to 6 months. Yeah man, so we have a nice dog teeth snapper right here. So you see, the fish wires help not just the fishermen, like fish vendors and others also. So everyone depends on fishing. To send your children to school, you know, fish vendor, fish family, we have to do fishing. One roller wire can cause us to make it a cycle. It's a jump start, a very big jump start. So I want to say a big thank you on behalf of the Priority Fishing Village. One love.